Hello everyone, today is September 1st. We're kicking off our 30 days to become a better you challenge. I'm so proud of you for taking this time to focus on yourself. If you're ready to make a change, stop making excuses and make this month the start of a new and exciting, healthy lifestyle where you feel your absolute best, this challenge can help you to become a better you. Yay! I'm so glad that you're here. So, where do you envision yourself at the end of 30 days? Close your eyes for a moment and think about what that looks like for you. All right, share that with the group. Be brave. Remember, write your vision down and make it plain. Put it on your vision board so that you can see it. So let's begin with how the challenge works. So you will be in this challenge for 30 days. It's a free challenge. I will post every morning your daily challenge. And on Monday mornings, I'll post an encouraging motivational video. Hopefully I can do it live if I can figure that part out to kick off your week. And at the end of 30 days, I will give out prizes to the people that participate in the group the most and who are encouraging everyone else. You can also share this with someone who's not in the group if you know someone that could use this challenge, because we don't want to leave anyone behind, right? We want to make sure everyone has what they need to succeed. Some people have asked and requested more, so I will be offering a VIP experience later today. I am still putting together what's going to be included in the package, and I also want to make sure the price is right. I want to share with you one of my most challenging or biggest challenge I've had over the last few years. I went through cancer treatment, 30 pounds overweight, and I gained 20 more pounds during treatment. I found myself obese and at the heaviest weight. I was in a lot of pain all over my body. I was barely able to walk. I had neuropathy in my hands and feet, and I felt like I was at risk of a reoccurrence. So most of you know that I'm a breast cancer survivor. I knew that I wanted to live, so I decided to change my life. I want to share with you my 3 C's to becoming a better you today. Number 1, commitment. Commitment, commitment, commitment. Make a commitment to yourself. To yourself. Do you know we have trillions of cells in our body? About 330 billion cells are replaced daily, equivalent to about 1% of all of our cells. So in 80 to 100 days, that's about a little over 3 months. 30 trillion will be replaced with new cells, equivalent of a new you. That is so exciting. Isn't that exciting to you guys? It's so exciting to me. So your choices matter. What you do matter. What you eat matters. Okay? You can do this. Make the commitment to yourself. Number 2, consistency. Consistency is key. If you can't be consistent, you will not achieve your goals. You will have to continue to start over and over and over. Remember, it's you against you. Don't compare yourself to others. This is your 30 days to become a better you. So start with a SMART goal. Something that's specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. So at the beginning of this year, I set a goal to make my bed every morning before leaving my room each day. I work from home, so things have been, a little out of hand. So I had to get some order. It can be that simple, you guys. You can pair your daily goal with your daily challenge that you're in right now. But you can do this. And even if something don't work out one day, you can always start again the next day. Number 3, challenge. This is a 30-day challenge, and you are here. Signing up for challenges keep you motivated. Seek challenges out to keep yourself accountable. If you have a Fitbit or Apple Watch, use it. Those things cost money, so use those things. You can challenge your other friends to competitions to help keep you motivated and each other accountable. I like the Fit On app. I always join the monthly challenge, which is 10 workouts on the app. You can challenge yourself to complete this 30-day challenge, which I think is a great and wonderful idea. It's day 1. Yay! Rev up your metabolism with a glass of warm lemon water. Supercharge your day, get your metabolism fired up, and wake up your digestion with a glass of warm water. Lemon water has lots of benefits. I'll post later today some of the benefits of lemon water. Also, we're going to use a pinch of cayenne pepper. Sip on this before you begin your morning workout or before you sit down to have breakfast. Hopefully I'm not too late for that. But if not, you can do it after breakfast and after your workout. Did you guys watch Serena last night? Y'all see, she showed up and she showed out. People counted her out. Even on Monday, they didn't think she would win. She won. They didn't think she would win tonight. Last night, they thought it would be her last game. So don't let anyone count you out. Share this with your friends, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.